Welcome to Sakmods. We're going to do something a little different this time. This is going to be kind of a review, not really a mod here, but this is a Pioneer X, the limited edition for 2024. But I might mod this one. You guys let me know what you think. I'm about to pull out a little extra tool here. So first off, I'm really liking this 93mm. Comes in very handy. We'll just start off on the back here. All very nice. Nice beefy main blade here. Did have to kind of fine tune this edge, but it is very sharp now. Let's just see if it shaves. Oh yeah, it shaves. Very sharp now. And of course we have the scissor. Of course, Victorinox scissors, always great. I guess the one complaint I have about these scissors is that the nail nick is on this side versus the other side, like you would see on 91mm Swiss Army knives. So it takes some getting used to. I keep trying to grab it on the other side, but it's on this side. But they are still great scissors. And of course we have the can opener with the small slotted screwdriver tip there. And the bottle opener with the large slotted tip screwdriver and the wire stripper. Now, what I'm thinking of doing with this one is adding the saw to this one here. Kind of make me a Farmer X limited edition. And then acid etch all the tools, maybe a brass wash. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Should I do that? Do this mod? Well, that's going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Again, it always helps out. Thank you.